Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to Beyond Imagination Kids TV, where we answer all your amazing questions. Today we got 5 fascinating questions that'll make you go, "Wow, I never knew that." Ready? Let's dive in. Have you ever had hiccups right in the middle of talking or eating? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, this big muscle under your lungs, gets irritated and starts to spasm. It's like a little oops inside your body. That spasm makes your vocal cords snap shut quickly, causing the funny hic sound. Some people say holding your breath or drinking water can help, but really, hiccups just go away on their own. Here's a fun one. Do fish sleep like us? The answer is kind of. Fish don't close their eyes because they don't have eyelids, but they do rest by staying very still or finding a cozy spot to relax. It helps them save energy, just like sleep does for us. So, next time you see a fish being super still, it might be catching some Z's in its own way. Why do cats purr? It's not just because they're happy. While cats often purr when they're relaxed, they also purr when they're scared or even hurt. Scientists believe purring helps calm them down and might even heal their bodies. That's like having a built-in superpower. Isn't that cool? Have you ever looked up and wondered why the moon sometimes looks round and other times like a banana? It's all because of how sunlight hits the moon as it orbits the Earth. We're just seeing different parts of it lit up. So, when you see a full moon, the whole side facing us is lit by the sun. When it's a crescent, only a little sunlight is reaching it. Why does ice float in your drink? Here's the science. When water freezes, it turns into ice and gets lighter, or less dense, than liquid water. That's why ice floats instead of sinking. It's also why ponds and lakes freeze from the top down, keeping the water underneath warmer for fish and other creatures to survive. Isn't that amazing? Wow, wasn't that fun? Which of these questions was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss more amazing facts next time. See you soon, explorers!